All right, you guys, I think I'll just hop on the charts real quick and kind of show you some trades that I hopped into. And no, I didn't send them out to the other group in the copycat yet because they already had like 5 open trades and I don't want to overwhelm your portfolio. But let me kind of show you guys why I jumped into these trades right here. Right here, this is on the 4-hour time frame. You know that's my favorite time frame to look at charts. And so right here, this is the high. You can see it clearly. This is the high, and it created a lower high, as you can see right here. So here's the yellow dots. If you don't have the simplicity system, please stop being cheap. It's only like 30 bucks a month for all the trading tools already pre-built in, your Fibonacci levels, your supply and demand zones, your support and resistance levels. It comes with 2 scanners and this and that. And again, this is not a sales video. I'm just telling you these are the tools that I use so that I don't have to manually waste my time marking up these charts. I can go straight to here and I see exactly what is happening. And so you can see right here, look at just pay attention to the yellow dots, okay? Yellow dots. So as you can see right here, this is a high, okay, a high point, which was it was established here, retested here. It came down, hit support, and came back up again. Okay, now we have the yellow dots, which represents resistance. If you look right here, you can clearly see that this is actually now a fresh established downtrend. Why? Because this high is lower than this high. So whenever you hear people talk about higher highs and lower lows, as you can see, this is a lower high or a lower low. All right. I'm sorry. Let me rephrase that. This is a lower high. In other words, here's a high point. It came down. It did go up and hit another high point, but this high point is lower than this. So that's where they get the term lower highs. So right here on this lower high, which is one of my favorite things to look for, is to get in on the first lower high. I used to teach this to you guys a long time ago about the Stairmaster, okay? Like you're walking down a pair of stairs. Look over here. Here's a high point. Here's the next one. See? And it's just like you're walking down some stairs. So here's the high. You're walking down the stairs, and then it drops. Here's the next high, but look at this. It's lower than this one. Then it drops. Here's the next step. And then here's the next step. And here's the next step. So it's literally like you're just literally walking down a flight of stairs. And that's what this is doing. You can see that I'm currently up 40 pips now on this trade here. Let's go to Euro JPY. Let me do this. I'll shrink myself. And there we go. Same exact thing. See, the first lower high. See, it did it here. See, here's the high point. High, drops. This high, it's lower than that one. So again, if you have the patience, you can just hang on to these because they just constantly went right on down the hill. You can see that, okay? So let me move this out the way and you guys can see it. Okay. Right here, here's a high, lower than that one. See, this one is lower than that one, and that one. This one is lower than that one, and that one. And this one is lower than that one, that one. So it's like you're literally just walking downstairs. And your key is just to be patient and hold on to the trade if you want to. You can skim some profits off the top if you want. And let me show you how to do that. So for an example, let's go to GJ. Okay. And let me do this. All right, let's go there. Let's go to GJ. Same exact thing again. All right. So if I want to trim some profits off of here, all I have to do is double click right here on the profits. Okay. It'll bring up this chart and you can change. As you can see, I'm using 4 lots. I'm going to change that to 2. And as you can see, let's go back and do this again because I want to make sure you guys are seeing this. Okay. It's saying, do you want to close out all 4 lots? See right here? You change that to 2, half, and click on, see how it changed it to 2? And then you click 2. Now I'm locked in. I got half of my lots covered, okay? And, you can move your stop loss down a little bit if you want to. I don't like to tamper with it. But if you want to, you can move it down, and blah, 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 blah. But either way it goes, you locked in a little bit of profits and you're good to go. So again, these first lower highs is very, very profitable because if you have the patience to wait, so here's the high, here's this one, which was a little bit lower than that one. Okay. And then it just continued to cascade on down. It did come back up real strong, but guess what? For the remainder of the month, it just continued to go down. On the way up, it goes the opposite direction. So the first lower high is the most profitable. Okay. We do have class tomorrow. So if you have any questions, just bring them and I'll be more than happy to go over any questions you have, charts and stuff like that. This is officially the first official week of the month. Last week, it was a little bit shaky because all the banks, institutions, and the rest of the people weren't really in session. But now the full force of the markets are back in session now. So this is a great time for us to hop back in on classes and start going through the charts again. All right. So again, hopefully this video helped. Leave a comment below or just bring some questions in class tomorrow, and I'll be more than happy to go over that with you. Thank you.